Hello, the thesis of our group is while the Central American migrant caravan do not represent an actual material threat to the national security of Mexico or the United States of America, the controversy it has produced can be analyzed through constructivism.
It started on October 12th in the city of San Pedro Sula in Honduras and El Salvador. Originally were 160 and now there are 6,000. The actors are Honduras, Mexico, USA, and the caravan. The 2018 migrant caravan raised different questions for each of the actors involved.
Will the immigrants take our jobs? Will they bring diseases and crime?
If they are not allowed into the United States, will they stay in Mexico? Will they take our jobs too? However, the numbers tell a different story. Migration from Central America is nothing new, and there's nothing to be scared about. The difference is that this time they're doing it in front of live television, and they're attracting lots of media attention and causing reactions from international leaders. The powerful images showing the migrants tearing down the border fences and walking freely in the streets have managed to create a lot of response. So if the caravan doesn't represent a threat any worse than everyday migration, why is it generating such a politicized response? The answer can be analyzed through the lens of constructivism.
Constructivism places special importance of the power of the idea and how people attach different meanings to different things. This means that interests and identities are central determinants of state behavior.
So for Honduras and the other Central American countries, this caravan means being seen as a failed state that has been unable to protect its citizens from poverty. The caravan is also evidence of a crisis of governance and violence in these countries, a region that has moved away from the rule of law and towards corruption and crime. And as a consequence, the international community may good aid to these countries.
Okay. The easy transit of the caravan through Mexican territory means that Mexican sovereignty is weak and the state is incapable of defending its borders, and the consequences are that more caravans are forming and crossing the border of Mexico because they have realized that Mexico is the easy way to get to the US. Part of the Mexican society has exposed their disapproval and discontent with the state with these caravans.
For the United States, the caravan represents an invasion of the national territory. They see migrants as criminals. The Trump administration has begun sending military units to the American-Mexican border. The pressure of the United States over Mexico has created political dilemma and diplomatic relations.
Mass immigration represents the search of an opportunity to achieve a better quality of life. This has proved to be an excellent method to travel in a safer way across the country so people can avoid the system of coyotage, drug trafficking, and other crimes. What is important here is to expose that this is not a new phenomenon. This has been passing a long time ago, but people actually didn't see it. Nowadays, 6,000 immigrants have passed into Mexico, most of them from El Salvador, Honduras, and Guatemala. In conclusion, with this research, we were able to learn and identify the different perspectives and values of each one of the actors that are involved in this massive movement of immigration across America.